guys, welcome back to our channel at Home with the Fraziers. We hope you guys enjoyed the video today. We'll be doing a homeschooling lesson with the kids, and we're also going to be showing some things on the farm as we enlarge our chicken coop area and work on that with Daddy and I. So we hope that you guys enjoy the video. If you haven't already, hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. I'm getting the kids lunch ready, and while I get their lunch ready, the kids are working on their copy work for tracing their Bible verse for the week. Earlier this morning, which I didn't film, sorry guys, we talked about our Bible verse, and then we also talked about our character trait of the week, which was diligence. So the kids are able to go ahead and trace that Bible verse, and while I'm making lunch, I'll be going back and forth to check on them, so you'll see me stepping away, which is pretty typical, just to make sure they're staying on task and to check to see how everyone is doing and if anyone needs any help.
Snack time? No, lunch.
Alright guys, who's ready for lunch? Okay.
Oh. Snack mix.
Yes. But first I want, yes, sandwich. First I want you to eat your sandwich. So before we eat our snacks, let's make sure Isabella, you eat your chicken nuggets. Israel, you eat your sandwich. I want us to scoot up to the table.
Bar, chicken nuggets, yogurt, and honey.
You do, so you can dip your chicken nuggets in your honey. You guys enjoyed your sensory break with your sensory bottles?
Mm-hmm.
What can?
Babies.
Well, I don't know if they sleep that long.
Well, I think they do.
You think so?
Yep.
Okay.
I think they wake her up. She'll sleep for months. She'll sleep for long. She'll sleep for this long. She'll sleep for this long. She'll sleep for this long.
Really?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And when she wakes up, we'll say, surprise, surprise. Because I love my baby sister.
What is our letter of the week?
T. T.
T.
T.
T. T. T.
I'm asking you a question.
Okay, here's a pencil.
Thanks, Mommy. It has to be a
Here's your pencil, Israel. Okay, so first, are we paying attention? Are we paying attention?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Isabella, Israel, are you paying attention?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Can I write my name at the top of the paper? Yes,
Yes, that's the first thing that we do. Let's sit up to the table.
I B E L L L L A B E L L.
Good job, Isabella. Hold the paper. Hold the paper. Isabella, go ahead and put your pencil down. And we're going to work on writing our letter T on the board. Okay, right here, I want you to give me a capital T. Right here. A capital T. Oh. Give me a capital T and a lowercase t. Oh, we need a new marker. Hold on. On the board, give me a capital T. Okay, you're writing too big. Other people have to write. Give me a lowercase t, a capital T, and a lowercase t.
It will be a bit smaller.
Israel, have you finished writing your good job on your first name, Israel? Good job. Now write your name underneath. Thank you. Israel, the letter of the week is, what's the letter of the week?
T.
T. Okay. I want you to give me a capital lowercase t right here. You can go ahead and begin tracing. Note with a pencil. Begin tracing your capital T.
I wish I did a tiny one. No.
Okay, that's capital T, lowercase t.
Pencils are
You gotta make the line a little bit longer at the top. You see how the cross is like really located right in the middle? Let's try that one more time. Start here. Good job. Let's go sit down. You need to work on your teeth. Okay, we'll show Daddy when he comes in here. Come on. He's doing something right now. Come work on your teeth. Okay, let's sit down. Give me now, Israel, I only want you to do 2 T's in each space. Trace the T and only give me 2 T's in each space.
Yeah.
Good job, Isabella.
Give Mommy 2 T's as well.
All right, Isabella, let's try to read the sentence. What does it say?
T is for train.
Good job. All right.
Sun don't begin with the letter T. No. Sun begins with the letter S. And rain starts with the letter R.
Good job.
Thank you, Mommy. Now, this lowercase t can't erase.
It's not going to. You have to just take your time.
You have to take your time and not go quick. You have to take your time. Mommy, would it not take long? Would it not take long?
Not that long.
Not that long. Okay. I hope you're right. Well,
Did you color your pictures? Do you want to color your pictures? Okay. Go ahead.
I just want to color 2 pictures.
I'll color 2 of them that begin with a T.
Is for T. And I'll color all the rest tomorrow. For rain.
Love you guys. Bye.
draw.
Thank you. I really can't draw. I just try to look at the shape.
Doing great. Amazing artwork.
Thank you.
I got the sprinkler set up. You can turn on, test it, set it up where you want to.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna take that weed eater through that garden today. I see we got some peas or some
Where?
beans out there
Where?
that sprouted up in the old garden.
Hey guys, so we just finished up with our morning lesson. We went over our new character trait of the week. We talked about our Bible verse of the week as well. I went over our new letter of the week, which is T, and words associated, and finding words that begin with T in our book for the week as well. Well, we have a few books for the week. So in one of our books for the week, we just found the letter T throughout and did a couple of little fun worksheets just to reinforce our writing and reading skills as well. So the kids have already eaten lunch. They've gone up to bed to go ahead and take a nap. I'm about to go ahead and clean up and get everything ready for when they get back up from nap. So we're going to do a little bit more schooling with just counting and some basic math concepts with addition and subtraction that we've been working on. And then we're going to get ready to head outside after. So I'm about to go ahead and clean up. So let's get started. just got up from nap time, right?
Mm-hmm.
Have a good nap, everybody. High five. Israel's still sleepy. High five. Bam. All right. So we're going to do one last learning activity before we go outside and have a little fun.
What one is that? Yay! The one with the butterfly and the apples.
Yeah, we're going to do some counting. Yeah. We're going to do some counting. Does anybody want to do any counting?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I think Eliana wants to do some counting too.
You got some paper for her.
I do.
And you do.
Come sit down, Eliana.
Isa.
Okay.
Isa, open your eyes. You can't see nothing.
Open your eyes, Israel.
That's mine, Mom. That's mine, Mom. That's mine.
Okay, he's just riding on top of it like this.
I'm your mommy.
I see you, Eliana.
Why can't you do this?
Okay, so our activity that we're going to do now to wrap up our day is some counting. So we have to count the insects or the fruit that we see in the box. And we have to make sure that we only do what the directions tell us. Uh-oh, you okay, Eliana? I think Eliana needs some help.
Circle two butterflies, circle three apples, circle four peppers, and circle five peaches.
Good reading. Okay, can you hold on just 1 second? Let's read it all together. So everybody pause just 1 second. We're going to have Israel read the directions to us. And can you make sure that you read them nice and loud? Israel? Okay. So go ahead and we're going to follow along. Start at the top left-hand corner and let's listen to Israel read the instructions. Okay, Israel? Go ahead and read the instructions starting with the butterflies. Make sure you're
Start
listening.
with the butterflies.
Okay, read the instructions.
I see one.
No, let's read the instructions.
Circle two butterflies.
Okay, so the instructions say, circle two butterflies. Good reading, Israel. So I want everybody to use a
Crayon.
yes, a crayon. And what's the first thing that we do when we get our
We
paper?
write our name.
Good job, we write our name. And where do we write our name? Here you go,
At the
Mom.
top.
At the top. Okay, so we're going to write our name at the top of the page.
I love this color.
You love that color? It's a pretty color.
I love this color.
You love that color? It's a very nice color. Okay, everybody write your name at the top of the paper. Is everybody spelling your name?
No, A. Nobody's spelling Eliana's name.
Eliana, you want help spelling your name?
Eliana's doing a great job with her butterflies and apples. Apple.
Apple.
Eliana just.
Okay, let's follow. That's right. Apple. Good job, baby. She just said apple. Good job. Okay, Isabel, are you following the instructions? Okay, you write your name. Now, Israel told us to circle two butterflies. Circle two butterflies.
I circled some.
Okay, hold on. Okay, did everybody circle two butterflies?
Yeah.
Okay, everybody let me hear you count two butterflies. One, two. Good job, everybody. Now let's go to the next square that's
Apples.
yellow. Apples. Good job. And apple starts with
A.
A. Good job. Israel, can you read the instructions for the apples?
Circle three apples.
Good job. Circle three apples. Good reading. Let's circle three apples. One, two, three. Good job.
One apple left.
That's right, but we only circled 3 apples. Good job following instructions, everyone. Good job, Eliana. Okay, now let's go to the pears. What letter does pears start with?
P.
P. Pears. Okay, Israel, let's read the instruction for the pears.
Circle 4 pears.
Good job. Circle 4 pears. Let's circle 4 pears.
1,
I want to hear you count it out as you go. Good job.
2, 3, 4.
Good job. And how many pears are left?
1.
Good job. There's 1 pear left. Okay. Now let's go to the green. Good job. Let's go to the green square. Let's go to the green square.
Where's these? How many?
You have to read the word.
Circle 5 peaches.
Good job.
Peaches.
Circle 5 peaches.
Peaches.
Okay? So I want to hear everybody counting.
Peaches gets you the
1,
1, 2, 3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Oh, how many peaches are left?
2. So there's 1 apple left.
Oh,
butterfly
great
left.
work.
1 peach.
That's
One
beautiful.
pear
You
left.
want to take a picture?
And 2.
You want to take a picture of the beauty?
And 2.
And 2 peaches. Pick up her crown, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Cheese. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Let me get it ready for you. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Cheese. Oh, this is my girl. Cheese. Hey, girl. Cheese. You see Mama? You see Mama?
Turn that.
Hey. You see Mama? Cheese. I can't see you. I can't see you. There you are. There you are. Hey, girl.
Mama.
Oh, that's my little beauty. Good job. You showing Mama your work. Good job. Okay, everybody. Now let's turn to the next page. Good job following the leave the other paper on top of your box. Good job, everybody, following instructions. Okay, now what do we see in the top left-hand corner?
Bees.
Bees. Somebody spell bees. Isabella, spell bees. Good job.
B. S.
Okay, S is at the end. Bees.
A.
No. I didn't say A. Bees.
B. And E.
Okay, but it's a long E. Bees.
Get your foot off my table.
Okay, foot on. We're not going to step on the table. Leon. Spell bees, Isabella.
I know. B. E. E. S.
Good job. Okay.
Mom.
Israel, can you read the
Mom.
instructions? She's not bothering you. Israel, can you read the instructions, please, for the bees? Eliana, stop.
Circle 3 bees.
Good job. So
And
our
this
instruction
time
says
for the
circle
bees.
3 bees.
My purple crayon.
That's fine. Let's circle 3 bees.
Mine orange.
That's good. You can use your orange one, Isabel's using her purple.
1, 2, 3.
Good job. Did everyone circle 3 bees?
Yep. And now we
Good
have
job
2 bees.
following. That's right. There are 2 left.
So-
What's 3 plus 2? 3. Let's do it. 3 plus 2. Let me see you use your fingers.
It's 5.
Good job. Israel is 5. Plus
1, 2,
3 plus 2. 1. Okay. You almost have it. 3 plus 2. 5. Let me see you count it. I want to hear you count it. 3 plus 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Good job, everybody. Now let's move to the box on the right-hand side that's blue. This, good job.
With the oranges
With
in
the
it.
oranges.
I love
Israel,
strawberries.
Okay, Israel, can you read the instructions for the oranges?
Circle 4.
Oh, start over.
Circle 4.
Circle for oranges. All right, Isabella. Ileana, don't erase that. Circle for oranges. Ileana, get down, please. Everybody focus. Circle for oranges.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. And how many oranges are left?
1.
1. Okay, now I want Isabella to answer this question first, Israel, okay? Get down, Ileana. What is 1, 2, 3, 4? 4 plus 1.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 plus 1.
1.
How many is that? 4 plus 1 equals
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so what is 4 plus 1 equal?
5.
5. Okay, now say the whole problem. 4 plus 1 equals 5.
4 plus 1 equals 5.
Good job.
Yay!
Good job. Okay, now hey guys, so we just finished up a great day of learning with some fun math activities towards the end of our day. We're about to get ready to go outside and have some more fun learning outside and enjoy the beautiful day. So thanks for joining us again, and see y'all next time.